Hi everyone, we will see increment and decrement operators in Java. Definitely one objective question will come from this topic. It is easy when we know how the flow will be, right? Let's see what is increment and decrement operators. Exactly, there are two types of increment and decrement operators, that is pre-increment, post-increment, pre-decrement and post-decrement. If the operator is present before the variable, it is going to be a pre-increment. If the operator is present after the variable, it is going to be a post-increment. What is exactly increment and decrement operators is increment is used to increase the value by 1. Decrement operator is used to decrease or subtract the current value by 1. Here are the 5 steps. By using these 5 steps, we will get to know how the flow will be. That is pre-increment, pre-decrement, substitution, evaluation, assignment, post-increment, post-decrement. These are the 5 steps. Let's see the example. Class operators. The name of the class is operators. We all know that each and every program starts its execution from the main function. So public static void main string arguments. Declaring a variable a of type integer, initializing with 10. That is declaring another variable called b. The operator is present before the variable, so it is going to be pre-increment. We will use these 5 steps. First step is pre-increment and pre-decrement. It is pre-increment, so we have to increment the value by 1. Next step is substitution. The 11 is substituted to a. Next step, evaluation. There is no further expression after the pre-increment statement, so we can leave that evaluation step. The next step is assignment. The value a is assigned to b. Next step is post-increment or post-decrement. There are no further post-increment and post-decrement operators, so it will print b equals to 11. The next is pre-decrement. The current value of a is 11, so it is first decremented by 1, so it is going to be a 10. Then substitution. A is substituted to 10. There is no further expression to evaluate, so leave the third step. Then assignment operator is assigned to C. The C value is going to be 10. Leave the post increment and post decrement. There is no post increment and post decrement steps in this. The next is post incremented value. The first step is pre-increment and pre-decrement. There is no increment and no decrement, that is pre-increment or pre-decrement. Next, the current value of a is 10. Substituted a equals to 10. Evaluation, there is no further expression to evaluate, so leave the third step. And assignment, a is 10 and it is assigned to d. Then it will print d equals to 10. The next step is post increment or post decrement. The value is incremented by 1. The current value of a is 11. The next step is this statement, that is this is the post decrement operation. We will see there is no pre increment or pre decrement. Leave the first step. Substitute the value. the current value is 11. There is no evaluation, assignment. It is assigned to E. Then it will print 11 and it is decremented by 1. So it is going to be 10. The current value is 10. Hope you understand, guys. Thank you.